Welcome to Lean FX. In today's video, we're diving into a compelling Photoshop manipulation to explore social media turmoil. Get ready for some effects. Okay, let's jump into Photoshop. First, I grabbed a picture of a man just standing with his arms out, Pretty standard. Then I carefully separated him from the background and cleaned up any extra stuff. Bye-bye, irrelevant pixels. After that, I found another picture, this one of a man yelling and angry, but I only needed his face. So I just took the face, erased the rest, and set it on the first man's body. Blending it took a bit of work to look natural, and I used a hue saturation layer to make the skin noise match. No Frankenstein vibes here. Next, I grabbed another person just for their arms, specifically because they looked more expressive, like angrier, Perfect for the social media turmoil. I set those arms on the man, added some shadows to make it look really realistic. Gotta have that realism. Then, using the pen tool, I created this shape over his face, kind of like a cloth covering his eyes. The idea is that with social media, it's like we're blind and can't see the truth sometimes, A little symbolic wink. After that, I removed some of the hair to make it look more realistic with the cloth. Then I selected a background with a clock. That kind of symbolizes how we lose track of time with social media. Time wasted. I wanted to convey that. Next, I added trousers to the man to finish his look. And, the shirt wasn't complete, so I added another piece to fix that, making sure the colors matched perfectly with a hue saturation layer. No wardrobe malfunctions. Then came the chains. I cut out what I didn't need and used the puppet warp to get them perfect, like magic, all set in place. After the chains, we moved to the social media icons. I used the transform tool to give them a cool 3D look, instant pop. I created WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram, and Telegram. Then I brought those icons into the main file and placed them where I thought they fit, randomly. After that, I used the puppet warp again to connect the icons to the chains wrapped around the man, like they're really trapped. I also added some shadows to the cloth for even more realism. Then it was time for color. I colored the chains with colors that match the icons to give that trapped feeling. I used a brush and set the blending mode to vivid light. After that, I boosted the brightness on the icons to make them really shine. Then I added glow to the background and also the chains. Using a normal brush and the overlay blending mode, up any areas that look too bright. And finally, I added highlights to the man's body, like the light from the icons hitting him. A real dramatic effect. I also added more brightness to the chains to make them even brighter. And a final boost of brightness and glow to the icons to really make them pop. Finally, I used the camera raw filter to balance the colors and make the photo look just how I wanted. And that's how you create something dramatic. Here we have a social media addicted man. I hope you learned some valuable techniques. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LeanFX for more things like this. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.